No wonder my mom said I snore like a bulldozer, because when I sink into sleep, my mind levels acres to make enough paper to record my dreams to recite for you. The concept isn't as metaphorical as it seems. My bedroom floor is sprinkled with creakle-page landmines. The waste can is filled to the brim, stuffed with paper wads, marked up with pen, reams of dead trees that will never rise with the sun again. It's time for us artists to get the facts right. Our relationship with Mother Earth is her parasite. Now please don't let this leave you disheveled. Just promise me to make every simile more beautiful than the forest you've leveled. Take every hillside you slashed and burned and turn it into a sunset scraping the waves of the sea. Snore like a bulldozer and topple over the trees so your dreams can skim streams like skipping stones. Conserve, respect, preserve, and protect, but understand a poet can't create without cutting into the living core. That's why we must make every metaphor worth killing the earth for.